see the big gates. It's gonna be so much fun! Wow! Look at this giant A! A is for apple! Let's spell it together. A. This B looks like a giant birthday cake. It's so big and bouncy. Ready? B. C. Look at the cedar wood sticks. C is for cedar. Let's spell it. C. Here come. D. Look at the daisies. D is for daisy. Let's spell it. D, D, D. E. Look at the eggshells. E is for egg. Let's spell it. E, E, E. F. Look at the fluffy feathers. F is for feather. Let's spell it. F, F. G. Look at the glistening glass. G is for glass. Let's spell it. G. H. Look at the honeycomb. H is for honey. Let's spell it. H. H. I. Look at the ice. I is for ice. Let's spell it. I. J. Look at the jelly. J is for jelly. It's so jiggly. Let's spell it. J. K. Look at the knitted wool. K is for knit. It's so soft. Let's spell it. K. L. Look at the leafy vines. L is for leaf. Let's spell it. L. M. Look at the marshmallows. M is for marshmallow. So squishy. Let's spell it. N. Look at the noodles. N is for noodle. They are so curly. Let's spell it. N. O. Look at the orange peels. O is for orange. Let's spell it. O. P. Look at the purple pebbles. P is for pebble. Let's spell it. P. Q. Look at the quilt. Q is for quilt. It's so colorful. Let's spell it. Q. Look at the rainbow ribbons. R is for rainbow. Let's spell it. R. S. Look at the sand. S is for sand. Let's spell it. S. T. Look at the twigs. T is for tree. Let's spell it. T. U. Look at the umbrellas. U is for umbrella. Let's spell it. U. V. Look at the velvet. V is for velvet. It's so soft. Let's spell it. V. W. Look at the woven wicker. W is for woven. Let's spell it. W. X. Look at the xylophone. X is for xylophone. Let's spell it. X. Y. Look at the yellow yarn. Y is for yarn. Let's spell it. Y. Z. Look at the zigzag zipper. Z is for zipper. Our last letter. Let's spell it. Z.